In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your site's navigation menus in HubSpot. We're going to walk through this step by step to make sure your navigation is organized and functioning just the way you want it to. First, open up your preferred internet browser and navigate to HubSpot. Once there, you'll want to head over to the user guide, which you can easily find on the HubSpot dashboard. This guide is essential for understanding the system's interface and exploring the different functionalities HubSpot offers, so make sure to keep it handy for future reference as well. Once you're in the user guide, the next thing you'll want to do is find the CRM option. This is central to managing the contacts and companies that form the basis of your outreach and customer engagement programs. Click on CRM and you'll be introduced to various features that are tailored to enhance customer relationships and streamline processes. Now that you've understood the CRM section, the next step is to click on Marketing. This area is where you will manage and track your marketing campaigns. From email marketing and social posts to ad tracking and SEO, HubSpot provides a suite of tools here that can significantly leverage your business efforts. Take a moment to explore the options and think about how they can assist you in meeting your goals. After you've navigated through the marketing section, move on to content. Here, HubSpot allows you to create and manage your site's pages, blog posts, and other content forms. This is a crucial step for building and maintaining a strong online presence. Consider how the content you develop, distribute, and promote aligns with your wider business strategy. Once you're comfortable within the content area, let's proceed to sales. This part of HubSpot is dedicated to helping you streamline the discussions that close deals. Tools for managing sales pipelines and tracking deals will ensure you stay on top of your business opportunities. It's a good moment to think about how you can optimize your sales processes using these tools. Next, we'll hop over to Commerce. Commerce on HubSpot is all about the transactional functionalities that help you close sales and manage monetary exchanges with your clients. Consider exploring options for integrating your current payment systems to simplify your workflow. After Commerce, head over to Service. This section is all about managing customer support and delivering remarkable service experiences. It's something you'll definitely want to master, as customer satisfaction is key to building long-term loyalty and advocacy. Moving forward, click on Data Management. This facility in HubSpot will help you handle and optimize your data for deeper insights and better reporting. The more accurate and organized your data, the more effective your business strategies will be. Next up is Automation. Automation tools can seriously boost your efficiency by handling repetitive tasks such as follow-ups and reminders. Here you set up rules and workflows that can trigger specific actions when needed. And finally, click on Reporting. This section allows you to track performance and analyze data to make informed decisions. Make sure to utilize the reporting tools to gain insights into how your efforts are converting into results. With these steps, you've learned how to navigate HubSpot's powerful features for managing your site's navigation menus effectively. Each section has a role to play in your website's functionality, so take the time to explore each one. Thanks for joining, and good luck with optimizing your HubSpot usage.